If you are tired of wasting credits on Bolt.NEW and you want to save a ton of time with these secret tips, then let's get started looking at them now. Okay, so the first thing we can actually do is to add images, videos, and stuff straight into our Bolt files and code here. So what you just need to do is start a new folder, call it something like public. And the next step is just to add your image or whatever into the chat here. So you have your image that maybe you made with AI or something like that. And then you can just drag it into the folder. So now I can see my image here, which I obviously didn't name a good name, but what you can do is just copy the path, right? Copy it in here. So if I want to add my image here, just select it here with the inspector, the select icon, right, and say add this image to the top of this section. Okay, so this will save you a ton of time. You don't need to export your whole project every time to add images. You can just do it like this. Okay, and you can see my image was added there, not in the correct place, so I need to work more on this inspector tool, but that can save you a ton of time creating images. Okay, so I am launching a Bolt.NEW course for beginners, right? It's going to be just ridiculously cheap for this week before I make the videos. So if you're watching this in the future, it will probably go up in price, but this is really for if you're beginners, right? If you're not a developer, right? I'm not a developer, but I'm using tools like this to create websites and make money. So that's kind of one of the things that I really want to get out of this course. I want you to get out of the course, right? Is that you can make money with Bolt.NEW, because I feel like a lot of people are using this tool, but don't really know how to actually make money out of it. So that's the goal of the course, and I really hope I can help you with. If you are into coding and you need to market, then I have another course down there about SEO, right? Okay, another way that you can save a ton of time is by actually using templates from GitHub. So I was watching a video the other day. This guy McKay, I'm not sure of his name. I'll link his channel in the description, because he put out like a 4-hour tutorial about all this stuff. So that's really, really valuable. One of the things he has is an app template, right? So he's done everything for you. And what you can actually do is go up here to the top here and go, get rid of this. We'll say Bolt.NEW and put in a /. And then we can open up the Bolt app with this template actually already done. Okay, so you can see it's just importing your repository into Bolt. So simple as that. So think about all of the things that are already saved on GitHub. All right, so it's just got all of this stuff and put into my own Bolt, right? So simple as that, right? A really, really good shortcut and save you a ton of code that you need. So we've imported our project, right? So we are ready to go. Okay, so in this case, this is like an app template, right? So we are going to have some problems here, as in we have to set up things for authentication and for Stripe and all of these different parts. You just need to set up some numbers and stuff. This isn't that hard, really. I did this yesterday. Just add in that. Stripe, easy enough to set up as well. But I'll teach you all of these things in the course. Just really simple and slow. That's the idea of the course. All right, so the next way we can save a ton of time and tokens and credits is by using this Chrome extension called Supercharge, right? I'll leave this down in the comments down below. So you just add it to Chrome. So now when we're using it, you can use this like go live checklist and stuff like that and learn how to use it. But what we're interested in is down here is just press the / key, and that brings up prompts. So loads of prompts to just get you started, right? So maybe you need a term cookie consent banner, right? There's a prompt for you that will just do it. So again, that's just saving tons of time, right? And that's going to do it properly, right? Because maybe you don't write everything you might need. You can also favorite these and custom and save you a ton of time by just adding your own custom prompt. So you can also type in / component, right? And press enter. Now this comes up and you have this search for components. So like all of these like little buttons and hero sections are all components, right? So let's just test it out and see what we can find. Maybe do like a pricing table, right? That would be a good example of a component, right? So let's have a look at some of the options here. Pricing section. Okay, so we can just copy this and we'll save a ton of credits if we just copy it and do it this way. So let's just look, there's a calendar, right? So you can just copy the component. Okay, and now we have our calendar at the bottom here. Okay, so there's also tons of stuff like button, or like, look at this animated hero. So that would be super cool to add this to many websites, right? Because sometimes the UI of these Bolt sites, they need an extra little bit of help, right? A rainbow button, yeah, cool features here. Really nice stuff, right? So just tons of stuff here worth checking out as well. Okay, and the next one I have for you is number 4. I think this is probably one that can save you the most time and, you know, credits. So this one actually doesn't use any tokens. So this is called Bolt Starter, right? And these are just, you know, templates that you can just use straight away. So really good if you want to just get started, right? So I don't know, like whatever it is you might need to get started, a landing page, you just click this one button and then you'll get a landing page, right? Let's test it out here. Okay, so super simple and fast that I got this landing page. Right, it looks pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, so tons of stuff that, you know, you could just want to try to add, or, you know, just get started with stuff like a portfolio. I've seen you know, creator websites, stuff like that, and courses, stuff like that. Tons and tons of stuff here that will definitely look, a video course platform. So you have a video course platform that you can just get started with no credits. Okay, and the last feature is basically what, you know, a lot of people have been talking online, is more like a vibe coding, right, where they're just talking to Bolt or to Cursor or any of these tools. So I'm on Windows, so I just press Windows H, and then this comes up, and I can just press, so I can just type away here and talk away here, and all my words are coming in here. So I find it quite interesting that, you know, more coding people are using this. I've been using this way of working for months and months because, let's just pause that. Because, you know, I use Claude a lot for writing, so it's really good way to just talk, you know, edit your work. You can just really, you know, go work so much faster. There's like no more need for this, in my opinion. Is like, we should not be using keyboards in 2025 anymore. We just talk to AI. AI does a bit of work. We refine the work. That's the way I think things should be going. Okay, so my mission now is, you know, I really want to help people to use this tool. Bolt has tons and tons of updates coming soon, and should have Claude 3.7. So we're going to have amazing coding in the back end, all the tools we need. So what we need to do is, you know, get from our idea to actually making money. I mean, we can use SEO and keyword research, as we should, to validate our ideas. And yeah, that's what I really want to do with this channel, you know, is to help you to make, you know, thousands of dollars with, you know, a web app, a website, a mobile app, any of these things that we can do with Bolt.NEW super fast, right? I have a lot of experience in marketing, so, you know, if you can help me with the coding, that would be great. If you're a coding expert, then just help me along. I'm learning this stuff as well, but I'm just, you know, I'm just so excited to create, you know, as much content and as many websites and web apps as I can, because, you know, I'm really good at getting SEO traffic to websites. And, you know, if I can do that already and have, you know, these things, these apps that help people as well, then that is really, really amazing. So subscribe to the channel if you are interested in stuff like that. If you're a beginner, then check out the Bolt course. If you want to focus on Bolt, I'm going to focus on Bolt for the time being. I also use Cursor a bit to do some more complex projects, but probably won't be showing that much on this channel, because, you know, it's a bit more complicated. I'm definitely not an expert, so I'll leave that to other people for the Cursor stuff. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.